And we're back to learning CapCut in year day 70. Let me show you how you can import text. You can just use your favorite image processing tool, for example Photoshop, GIMP, something like that, and then import text as images. When you use a PNG, you can even get rid of the background in your text editor, in your photo editor. For example, here I've got a black text and no background. Here I've got a red text, no background, and this directly works. But again, this only works for PNG and if you exclude the background. So if you use a JPEG or if you use PNGs with a background, for example here G3 has a white background and a black text, you have to select this element in the timeline. If it isn't, left click on it, then go to Video Basic, open the drop down for Blend, and then go to Mode. Screen filters out the black text and Overlay filters out the white. So in this case, Overlay is what we need. And as T4, I've got a white text on a black background, and here in this case, we need to switch the blending mode to screen to get rid of the background. So if you want to add text, importing it is actually an option. As you can see here, simply use the blending mode when you have a background, or export it as a PNG without a background, and then you can use that in CapCut as an overlay for your videos. I hope this video was helpful, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.